Yeah, the pressure should come up from around here.
Ready?
I think so.
Alright, let's give it a shot. Alright, hook it up. Wait. Oh yeah, ours only had one since ours was smaller in 5th grade.
No, onto these.
Yeah, but it was.
Let me see, onto these, right? Yeah. See, see, how did those come off?
How did what come on?
Like,
Yeah.
The wire. How does it come on?
yeah.
And also because it was so big.
The
You never could see it.
popped right out of the engine.
How the can't be touching each other.
Yeah, they can't touch.
It's gonna be hard.
You can bend those things out.
What happens if they touch?
Those wires. It just won't work. Put it from the side, Katie.
Like this? Virginia, it's not on. You're going too high. Here.
It's up, Katie.
There you go. You got it.
Okay. Alright, he's gonna push the button.
Are you okay, Diane? Oh, is Diane gonna push the button?
Yeah,
You ready? He wants to push the safety. Are you ready?
Diane, why don't you push the safety?
Michelle, are you ready? Did you start the countdown?
Not yet.
Wait, Missy! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A long putt.
That one went high. What's that one?
Oh wait, Mason, really quickly. Okay, here you go. Mission success. Does it have a pen?
Yes, it does.
I knew it was gonna go way too far.
No, there's no more. Okay. There's no more? This is the last one.
That was?
Yeah.
We're getting. Yay! We saved the best for last.
Well, you should get the camera out.
Yeah. If we take this off and it's an orange light or no light, I'm gonna be so happy. What?
Here, can I do the tape really quick? Okay. I just wanted to make sure it didn't. It's just the same. Here. I got it.
Okay, I'll take these.
If this did not work.
You're gonna be unhappy.
I'm not gonna be unhappy.
You're gonna be mad.
Yeah.
I'll be more disappointed. Take this.
Why would you?
Because there's only a 1 in 3 chance that it's working. If it's a blue light, it works. If it's an orange light or no light, fail. What?
Oh, Elijah, you have nothing to do with it.
I'm sorry. What is it? Blue light!